wonderful people as they've come this afternoon to be joined in the bonds of matrimony. Keep thee only unto her as long as you both shall live. Everybody hear that? You've been waiting, Otis. Let's get busy.
Mr. and Mrs. Otis and Kelsey Berry.
How should Bobby go about getting out of the doghouse?
Real simple answer here, Bobby. Say, honey, I'm sorry, you were right.
Love each other. And tell Otis to stop crying too.
Okay. Lamont, you got anything for the happy couple?
You can do it. He's the guy who gets down on one knee and says, "You trying to be my best man?" Because he knows that you'll both find it hilarious and moving.
Heart you.
And I'm your